I started this challenge with $100. Now after 32 trading days, the account stands at $12,478. This is day 33 and today, as usual, I'm going to take 3 trades, all using my 1 minute binary option strategies, and I'll teach you the exact strategies that are helping me make consistent profit. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing odd yen chart and I have a clear trading opportunity. As you can see, this is a ranging price action and price is approaching towards a support level where chances of reversal are really high. So I'm going to take a reversal trade here. Let's wait for a confirmation and I will instantly place a trade because this is a good support level. All I need is a strong bullish reversal pattern formation here, which is missing right now. The price is showing rejection from the buying side. This is the buying zone, but there is no strong candlestick confirmation from the buyer's end, and that's why I'm not placing any trade. I will wait for the price to give me a solid bullish reversal pattern. Let's wait now. Price at the support level. This time I need strong candlestick confirmation. This is not strong either. I will wait for another bullish reversal pattern formation. Chances of reversal are high. Yes, that's the confirmation. And now I have placed the first trade of the session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So it's a simple trade setup. As you can see, that price was approaching towards this strong support level. It's a clearly visible support level, and in this particular setup, as you can see, this is a ranging price action, and according to a ranging price action, the price usually respect the support or the resistance zone, and the price usually respect it by reversing from the same zone. So in this case, I did not waited for the 1 minute candle to close, although the closing of the 1 minute candle is above. But for me, this zone was important, and if price shows a reversal sign here, I can easily place a trade. So when price was approaching this zone, I opened the 5-second chart because on 5-second chart, I needed a strong bullish reversal pattern. And here, as you can see, when price hit this support, this was not confirmation. This was also not a strong confirmation because previous candles were very strong and I was not sure about this particular setup. So I waited for the price to retrace back. Price again goes down, but in this case, as you can see, the 1 minute candle also closes above, which means chances of reversal were high here. And on 5-second chart, if you focus, we have this inverted hammer, which is a reversal pattern. Then we have this dozy, which is indecision. Then price started going up. It was up to this high level, which was breaking the recent level, although the candle closing was inside. But for me, this inverted hammer, this dozy, and this strong move in the upside direction was a suggestion that price will reverse. As the 1 minute candle closing was also above, it was in our favor that price will reverse. I will take another trade. Let's wait for this candle. If this candle closes above the level, then I will place another trade in the upside direction. Let's wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If it closes just above this level, I will instantly place a trade in the upside direction. Chances of reversal will be high if there is no breakout. Okay, price showing rejection, and last 3 seconds are remaining, and okay, the candle closes below. As you can see, it closes below, so I'm not placing any trade here now because this particular zone have been broken. I am not going to use this zone. It's not that strong. So let's find other trading setup. Right now I am analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have a trading opportunity here. The price recently formed a support zone which I am interested in using for a reversal trade. So this is the support zone. Now I will wait for the price to retest this zone. Once price retests this zone, and if the 1 minute candle closing is above this level, then I will go for a reversal trade with confirmation. Let's wait now. After retesting this support zone, the price reverses instantly. For me, I will only place the trade if the 1 minute candle closing is near to this support level. In this case, as you can see, the closing is here. It's far from the support zone. That's why I'm avoiding taking a trade in the upside direction. On yesterday's session also, I took one trade based on the similar situation in which I avoided a setup in which the price closing was far from the support level. In that case, I waited for another retracement, and I will do the same here also. I will wait for the price to fall again and retest this zone, and once price reach this zone, then I will look for confirmation to place a trade. I'm avoiding this setup because the closing of the 1 minute candle is far from the support, although the price is reversing here, but because the condition in which the closing of the 1 minute candle needs to be near is not met here and it is far, so I am avoiding this setup. I will wait for the price to fall again and retest this zone so that I can place a trade with proper confirmation. Let's wait now. On Euro US dollar chart, I'm waiting for the price to retest this zone so that I can place a trade. But as the price is going in the upside direction, we have another trading opportunity which is from the resistance. So let's draw the key level. Let's start from the wick rejection level and let's include the body. So this is the resistance zone which can be used for a reversal. Let's wait for the price to retest this zone. So right now we have two trading opportunity, one from this resistance zone and another from this support zone. Let's wait now patiently for the price to retest either the resistance or the support. Price finally hit the resistance, but it is showing breakout character here. So let's wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If it closes above this particular level, then we will consider this as a breakout and then we will try to find a different trading opportunity rather than taking a reversal trade from this resistance in the downward direction. The candle closing looks inside and chances of reversal are high. I have placed the second trade of the session in the downward direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So I took this trade in the downward direction because the 1 minute candle closing is below this resistance zone. Price retested this zone and the candle closing on 1 minute chart is below, so it is not a breakout, meaning that chances of price reversal from this zone are high. So I took the reversal trade because on 5-second chart we have clear strong selling candles that closes inside the zone. Right now we are running in loss. Last 19 seconds are remaining. Okay, price again fall very strongly in the downward direction. Let's wait. Last 11 seconds are remaining. Chances of us winning this trade are very high now. And we booked profit. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So, as I told you that if price retests this zone and form a reversal pattern, I will instantly place a reversal trade if all the conditions are met. In this case, according to our strategy, the 1 minute candle closing needs to be without a breakout. Here you can see the candle closing is below, so there is no breakout. All I needed was a confirmation from the sellers on 5-second chart, and we have confirmation here. So I placed my trade instantly here and we easily booked profit. Now as price started reversing, I will use this zone for a reversal trade as I previously decided. So let's wait now for the price to retest this zone. Once price reach here, I will take my trade and will explain you the strategy. When I'm going to use the same strategy, we'll wait for the price to retest this level and the 1 minute candle needs to close above this level in order to place a reversal trade. Let's wait now for the price to retest this support zone. I was waiting for the price to hit support level on Euro US dollar chart, but suddenly this particular asset is not available for trading. So now I will try to find a different trading opportunity on any other chart because I cannot trade on Euro US dollar anymore. Right now I am analyzing odd cat chart and I have a clear trading opportunity. The price is falling and I have this support zone which I can use for a reversal trade, although price can reverse from this zone also. So let's target a reversal trade first of all from this zone, and if the confirmations are not there, then I will avoid this setup. Okay, chances of reversal are high. Let's open the 5-second chart, and yes, we have the confirmation. I will wait for the retest. Yes, it's a good level. This is the confirmation candle that came right after the candle closes just above the support. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So I was focusing on this zone, but price failed to break this support zone also. The 1 minute candle is a kind of spinning top, which is an indecisive candle, and the closing was also above this support level, which means there is no clear breakout. And if there is no clear breakout, then we can expect that price will reverse and it will go up. So as the 1 minute candle closing was above, all I needed was a confirmation from the buyers. And if we talk about confirmation, this particular candle was a strong confirmation that price will go in the upside direction. Look at this candle, it was a confirmation. Right now we are running in loss, and we have booked loss in this trade because price broke this support zone. But if we talk about the confirmation part, this was the confirmation candle that shows that buyers will enter and the price should go up, and that's the reason I placed this trade. But we have failed in this particular setup and we have lost this trade. Now let's target another trade from this level. I'm going to use this support level, and then we'll try to apply the same strategy. We'll wait for the price to retest this zone. If price retests this zone and form a reversal pattern without a breakout, I will place a reversal trade. Let's wait now for the retest of this support zone. Price finally hit the support level, which means now this is the retest. All I need is this 1 minute candle needs to close above this level to place a reversal trade. Let's wait. Chances of reversal are high as the candle showing rejection. Let's open the 5-second chart because in the next 10 seconds the candle will close and we already have a good bullish confirmation. Let's wait. The candle closing is inside, so chances of reversal are high. I will place a trade with confirmation. I need buyer's entry here, and let's wait. A breakout from this level will be my confirmation, and no breakout. Let's wait. And a strong candle is required here. Yes, that's the confirmation. And I have placed the 4th trade of today's session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic. So as I told you that I will wait for the 1 minute candle to close above this support. The 1 minute candle is above, the closing is above, which means there is no breakout. So chances of reversal needs to be high. To place a reversal trade, we need a strong candlestick confirmation on 5-second chart. And on 5-second chart, you can see this was not strong confirmation. This was a indication that price should go up. We have this candle, then we have another rejection, and finally a breakout from the recently rejected level here. So I place my trade, but unfortunately the price reversed completely and looks like that we are going to lose this trade also. Yes, we have lost this trade and now the price is reversing. So can't do anything. Let's understand the logic. So I have applied a similar trading strategy that I use regularly, but today the results are completely different. Sometimes the market movement is different because today is Friday, so this might be the case. So according to our strategy, the 1 minute candle needs to close above or below a valid level. This is a support level, so the closing needs to be above. The closing was above this level. There was no clear breakout from the seller end, so the candle closing was above. All I needed was strong candlestick confirmation that shows that price will go up. To place a trade, I open the 5-second chart, and on 5-second chart I have this candle that broke the recently rejected level. Previously I was focusing on a rejection level, a breakout from this level, but this candle expanded the zone, so I needed a breakout from this level. Here we have a clear breakout, so I placed the trade, but unfortunately the price after that went down and we made loss in this trade. So on odd cat chart, we have taken 2 trades. The first trade was taken here, which was again a loss, and here also we lost the trade. So today we have taken 4 trades. 2 are in the loss, 2 are in the profit. The results are break even, and I'm ending this session here because I don't want to take more trades as I have hit the stop loss target here, which is 2 losses in a row. So I'm ending this session here, hoping that you will understand the execution part, how I execute the setup. Although the results are not in our favor today, but the overall week was in our favor and we made profit using the same trading strategy. So sometimes you will lose too. It is part of the game, and no strategy will give you 100% results. You just have to control your losses, in which you can see that I'm stopping right now because I have already lost 2 trades, so I don't want to increase my losing streak further. I will end this session here because overall my week is in profit. So let's end this session here, hoping that you will try to control your losses whenever you have bad days and capitalize when you have good days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.